Imagine a fruit so revered in ancient cultures that it was considered a symbol of love and happiness. A fruit with a history dating back to ancient Greece and Rome, yet often overlooked in modern times. This fruit is quince, and today we're going to delve into its fascinating world and uncover the incredible health benefits it offers. From boosting your immune system to improving your digestive health, quince is a fruit that deserves a place on your plate. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the top 7 health benefits of quince fruit. Number 1. Digestive health. Quince is a fantastic fruit for digestive health, thanks to its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for ensuring regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in quince absorbs water in the digestive tract, forming a gel-like substance that softens stools and makes them easier to pass. Moreover, quince contains a type of fiber called pectin, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining gut health by supporting digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as helping to protect against harmful pathogens. Number 2. Immune support. Quince is a powerful ally for your immune system, thanks to its impressive vitamin C content. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, crucial for bolstering the immune system. It aids in stimulating the production of white blood cells, vital for combating infections and diseases. Additionally, vitamin C helps protect the immune cells from damage caused by free radicals, helping to enhance their function and effectiveness. By including quince in your diet, you can help strengthen your immune system and reduce the risk of infections, especially during cold and flu season. 3. Heart health. Quince offers significant benefits for heart health, primarily through its ability to help manage cholesterol levels. The fiber in quince can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. High LDL cholesterol levels are a major risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating quince into your diet can be beneficial for heart health. Additionally, quince contains potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, which can help lower the risk of hypertension and reduce the strain on the heart. Number 4. Weight management. Looking to manage your weight? Quince can be a valuable addition to your weight management efforts, thanks to its low-calorie and high-fiber content. With only about 50 calories per 100 grams, quince is a low-calorie food that can help you feel full without consuming excess calories. Plus, its natural sugars provide a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Number 5. Bone health. Strong bones are essential for overall health, and quince can help you maintain them. This fruit is a good source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper, which are vital for bone health. These minerals help maintain bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation. Quince can be a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet, thanks to its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The rich fiber content in quince can help slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Moreover, quince contains compounds called polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Cancer prevention. Quince contains a variety of compounds that have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties. One such compound is quercetin, a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce cell death in various types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Eating half to 1 quince daily can have a cumulative effect on your health, thanks to its impressive array of nutrients and health-promoting compounds. However, it's essential to consume quince in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to digestive issues due to its high fiber content. Additionally, while quince offers many health benefits, it's just one part of a healthy diet. It's important to consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to ensure you're meeting all of your nutritional needs. Whether eaten fresh, cooked, or preserved, quince can be a versatile and flavorful addition to your culinary repertoire. so why not give quince a try? Add it to your shopping list, experiment with different recipes, and discover the amazing health benefits of this extraordinary fruit. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.